What's up, guys? I'm going to show you a card trick. It's called Killer Bee. Now, I don't have someone else here to help me in this, so it's not going to really look as impressive with me doing it. You know, just because you might think that I know where the cards are and all that stuff and what you're looking for. But pretty much what you got. Okay. You got 8 cards here. Alright? And you ask the spectator, look, I want you to just go ahead, and they're all different. You know, combination between, King of Hearts, Ace of Spades, 8 of Clubs, 9 of Clubs, 8 of Diamonds, 4 of Hearts, Queen of Diamonds, and King of Clubs. And just a messed up variety. Don't know if you can see that or not, but... Alright, so you have someone just go ahead and pick one. And it doesn't, again, it does not matter what they pick. Let's just say they pick 4 of Hearts. Again, it does not matter what they pick. Okay? Alright, 4 of Hearts. So, we go ahead and, I guess I'll do this over here with you. You know, just go ahead and they could have had any card that they want. Any card. I really want you to understand that. Okay? Any card. Cool thing is, though, they picked what's the only red card out of the 8. Really cool trick. I'm going to show you how to do it. So guys, so you want to know how to do Killer Bee. Now, the reason why I have a whole bunch of card tricks that's just going to come again and again and again right out to you. Because I've shown you a whole bunch of other cooler stuff, but I'm not saying these aren't cool, but it's hard when you don't have the, the proper items, or a certain situation doesn't come up. I'm just going to give you a whole bunch of card tricks that you can do, you can turn to, that you don't really need a lot of anything. So this is Killer Bee. Now, what you need is 4 of each color. 4 cards of each color. Make sure there's no duplicates. I'd make sure you have about the same amount of red and black in there, and just, not too much of one card. Have them different cards and different colors. Okay? So all you're going to do is memorize what is the... really you don't even have to memorize what the top one is. Just, you put them down. Okay? I know it's hard to see, guys, I know. Alright, and you have them choose, okay? You don't even have to say, look, they're all one color. Don't even mention that. Just have them choose any card. Just have them point to a card. Don't say, alright, take any card you want, because then they'll take and they might look at the back. Just have them point to a card. They point to a card. Now, if they point to one of the top ones, okay, down here, the ones that are on the top, or actually, it's on the bottom. If you were to square them up and turn them over, they'd be on the bottom. But as you're looking at them, they're over top of the other ones, okay, on the table. Okay, they point to one of these, great. So you take one out, you square it up, and you turn it over. Therefore, the top 4, the 4 other colors are followed by the 3 colors that are left on the bottom. Okay, that's great. Now all you do is you square them up, and you're just talking, okay, you had a pick, and don't even say, look, they're all one color. Just go through them as you're patterning, as you're saying whatever. Thumb off 1, thumb off 2, okay, thumb off 3, and then here's what you're going to do. You're going to come down, you're going to steal the rest. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, which is what should be left, 7 cards out of the 8. And then you pick the only one that had a different back. You can say whatever you want. We'll try it again. And this is about how fast it would go. You would go 1, or you would talk about alright, now I put out 8 cards for you, okay? You had a choice of whatever 8 cards you want to pick. It could be any card you wanted, okay? But you pick the only red card. Now you can do it fast. I didn't do that move very fast. I wanted to really show you what it was. But if you're worried about not being able to do it fast, here's what I did. Okay, and listen to what I say, listen to what I did with my hand gestures. Now, I showed you 8 cards. You had a choice of any of the 8 cards, okay? Any one at all. You could have picked any one at all. You chose, now see what I did? I made it easy with my hand gestures to where it didn't have to be fast, okay? And I stole. okay? But it really is not that hard of a trick. You're holding like this. Make sure you have some room with your hands so you can add another, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Doesn't have to be fast, okay? Matter of fact, if you do it too fast, then it gets suspicious. So don't worry about doing it fast, okay? Now, you're probably asking, what would have done if they had picked one of the bottom ones, which would be the top if you turn the deck over, What if they picked one of these ones? Here's what you do. Say they pick this one, okay? You would take the 3 like this and put them on top, okay? And then you're doing with the red, and you're counting with the red. Now you could have picked any one you wanted, okay? But you decided to pick the only blue card. Whatever. That's Killer Bee. It can be a really good trick. Practice it, and you'll get some reactions. Alright, I'm out, guys.